Hey, so I'm getting ready to go to a musical called All Shook Up with my mom. Yeah. I'm debating whether I should. How about my bangs? Like this. Wait. Yeah, I think I want it like that, but no. Does this look better? I don't know. But I'm wearing my high heels with this, so. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're also going to go to another musical in October. So, you guys see my nails? They're blue. They're actually supposed to be bluer. Anyways, yes. Because it has like Elvis Presley in it and whatnot. And he's supposed to be like, you know, bad boy and stuff like that. They're supposed to be like bad boys. So I dressed up as a bad girl. I'm just kidding. So I don't know if I should wear my combat boots or my high heels. Well, good night to yous alls. Well, I should say good afternoon. That would be more like a greeting, so, you know, whatever. Anyways, yes.